everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for Makhumalo just after the first episode of Uthando Nesithembu season 6. Mselego took it to his Facebook page to celebrate his wife, number 3, Makhumalo, for her achievement. Guys, in his post he said, it is marvelous to see you grow. She was 18 years when she took a decision as her own choice to embrace and support the vision of our ancestors. Mbulazi Mzilikazi Kamashobane, I know my grandmother, the chief of staff herself, Gokflo, and my mother, Joyce, Nomathemba Mselego, are pleased about your hard work. Bengingazi ukuthi usukhule kangaka ukuthi ungathenga ihashi mina ngingafaki lutho. So yeah guys, she bought herself a beautiful car, Mercedes. Guys, congratulations Makhumalo. She's working very hard guys, so yeah, she deserves all the blessing coming to her way. Bambongele ke abantu Makhumalo ophinde abe i-favorite kwabaningi kuthando Nesithembu because of her personality guys. Makhumalo unkosikazi ongathanda umsindo, ongenalo uchuku, othanda ifamily, ihlezi jabulile. She loves and supports her husband kuzo zonke inqumo azithathayo, and ikhona ke lokho kubuye kumqhathe nabanakwabo. Noma kunjalo Makhumalo akaza ishintshe i-personality yakhe just to please other people. Bamthandela lokho ke abantu abaningi. Umseleko made it clear ukuthi he didn't contribute even a cent ekuthengweni kwale moto, so amandla kaMakhumalo eyedwa ayike iyawina i-team yabafazi bafethu. Once again, congratulations mzilikazi mama Mashobane bathi bedla umuntu babe bemiyenga ngendaba. That's all I have for today. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with umbulazi kaMashobane. Bye.